Okay, what's up guys? Ghost Trades here. I'm not even sure if this is working. This is kind of my first time doing a video lesson type deal here. So I'm gonna go over my trades today. Instead of writing out a blog post, I feel like it'd be a lot easier just to record a little quick video and just upload it to Profitly for you guys to watch if you want. So here we go. All right. My plays today. What did I play? SNSS. This is my overnight trade from last night. Where we are. Let me full screen this. Alright, so SNSS, if you look at let's go to the 1-day chart. Yesterday, we had a little morning spike from the 80s to, the 90s. Not really a great spike, 10 cents a share. And the flow was like 40 million, if I recall. I don't know. I'd have to check it, but it was something like that. It wasn't a low flow play. Had a little bit of volume, but not much. But what got me into this play was its close. So over here at the close, it really had a spike in volume, as you can see down here. This was yesterday. Right, where would the close be? Here we go. Yeah, right at the close. Had a big spike in volume and it started uptrending. It broke this key level right here, the 89. So I placed an order for 2,500 shares right here at 90 cents for a spike, because if you go and look at the daily chart, we're going to look at, it's a clear breakout on the 100-day. There's no resistance there. If you look at the 1 year, 89 cents, 90 cents. So if you look over here, it's breaking out to new highs. So I bought in at 90 cents, hoping for a gap up in the morning. This morning we did have a decent spike. We opened at 90 and this topped out at 105. So we did get a good, 15 cents a share there. But I just wasn't liking it. It didn't spike right off the bat. It actually dipped first, and then it was a little delayed spike. It wasn't too delayed, a couple minutes, but I sold quickly. I sold at 95 cents. It wasn't a big win. Basically a scratch, 5 cents a share on 2,500 shares. I made like 70 bucks, I think, something like that. It wasn't my best play, but the setup was there, so, I'm not mad. What are my other plays here? REN. Come on, open. Here we go. This is a 14-day chart. This isn't what I want. Well, while we're here, I guess REN is just, to me, it's so overextended, and now we're getting news of the CEO retired. Air quotes there. So I think the top is in probably around here, the $20 level. Who knows? I could be totally wrong, but I just think we're on the backside of the move here. What was it? 14 straight up days or something ridiculous. So I think the top is in on REN. So my play, let me look at a 3-day. This has been downtrending every day, basically. We get these dollar spikes and fades. Just yesterday went from 17.95. The lows was 15.87. So we're down to the 15s now on REN. So I was thinking short right off the bat. So my strategy was any morning spike, I was going to short into it and hopefully get a fade throughout the day, which is pretty much exactly what we got here. At the open, we went from 15.94, 95, and we got a big spike. I wasn't anticipating this going basically almost $2. $2 a share. Not $2 a share. In the 15s. So when this got to 16.50 here, I thought that was this is where I started my short. I took $16, and I took 300 shares short right here at 16.50. But I mean, this just kept going on me. I mean, we peaked right here at freaking $17, nice round number. And I kind of wish I got a little closer to the $17 level here, but man, what can you do? So I took 300 shares short at 16.50. Didn't cover. I was getting squeezed, 50 cents a share, but only had 300 shares, so I just held because I expected a fade still. I mean, overall this chart is ugly, at least to me. But you never know with REN. I mean, it just keeps squeezing shorts. So we got to $17 and we started to fade. And once we got down to almost basically right where I started my position, we bounced back up. So I was like, oh god damn, did I take my position too early? Am I gonna have to cut losses? So we just kept going. I mean, we were up to the 17. We got as high as freaking 17.34, and I'm just watching, like almost down $1 a share. I mean, but I had a super small position. I can lose $1 a share on 300 shares. I can live with that. So we got here and then we started fading back. And when we were going back, I said, okay, you know what? 16.50 is not a good average right now, because that's right where we bounced. So I bought 400 more shares right at 17.20. I didn't buy. I shorted 400 more shares at 17.20. So I was short 700 shares at 16.83 average, which I was comfortable with. I mean, that's not a bad average right now for this, basically at the top of this first spike. So we started fading. We had a couple more pops, and then we kind of consolidated in the 1660s. I was up about 20 cents, but I said, you know, I'm gonna hold on to this one. We got to the 15s just yesterday, so you know, I was hoping to cover maybe in the low 16s, maybe at this double bottom right here, 1590, 1588-ish. Triple bottom, actually. I mean, somewhere around there, maybe even if that breaks. I don't know, I kind of want to hold this. So, today, we did get this crack right here. We got all the way down to the 1620s, where I was debating covering. But the past few weeks I've been having problems over trading a little bit. You know, I'll be in the chat room, someone will say, oh, this is spiking, blah, blah, blah. I'll check the chart, and I'll like the setup, and I'll just go for it. You know, I'm not under the PDT rule or anything, so I just keep trading and trading, and it's been hurting me. You know, I'm not finding consistency when you're just getting into every single play. You gotta focus on the best setups. So what I did, I opened a second account with TD Ameritrade, and I put 10 grand in there, and I said, you know, I'm gonna try to build this small account, and I'm just gonna try to build under the PDT rule and see what I can do with it. So today was my very first day actually under with my new account. So I mean, I have some overnight positions. I still haven't covered REN. I'm hoping that fades a little more Monday. Oh yeah, this other play here. So basically, I didn't want to cover because I did add. So if I covered my position with my 16.50 short and my 17.20 short, if I covered, that'd be 2 day trades burned, and I wouldn't even be able to trade with this account next week at all. I mean, which wouldn't kill me, but I wanted to wait to cover to Monday, so it didn't take any day trades off my plate. And my last play here, what was it? It was, oh yeah, let's take a look at ADMP. So I was watching this pretty closely throughout the day. It was running up. It had this little double top here though, which kind of made me wary at 355-ish. And I was watching it around here. I'm like, because it was uptrending, holding its gains throughout the day. Had huge volume, 15 million. So with a relatively low float, I'm pretty sure the float's like 15 million or something like that. So uh, it did interest me, this chart. It's uptrending going into the close. That's a good setup for an overnight for me. So I was looking at it, but then right around here, it looked just so weak. It couldn't break 345, and then it had this crack here. I mean, I even said it in the chat room. If you saw my commentary, I said ADMP looks like it's gonna fall like a house of cards. And 2 seconds later, we got this big crack down to 327. I mean, ideally, this would have been a great time to buy right here at this double bottom with this support here, because it bounced perfectly right off that, and it uptrended into the close. So I didn't take a position into the close. Looking back, I kind of wish I did. We got an article, I think on thestreet.com, just talking about it, especially with their the whole EpiPen war deal. And after hours, this bounced as high as 380, I think. I mean, well, it says 376 here, but there was prints at 380. Let's see, show extended hours. Let's go back in here. Yeah, so yeah, we got up to 381 here. So I think this can gap up Monday. I mean, relatively low float. The weekend is a good time for news to spread. So I kind of FOMO traded here, honestly. I mean, I'm not worried about it. I have a super small position, but this got up to 380. There was a little dip, so I took a position at 369, just a couple of hundred shares. I'm in for, what is my position right now? 500 shares. Oh, actually, I don't even think that's right. I don't know. I don't understand the whole. I'm not really new. I'm new to this platform, so I'm still learning here. I mostly just trade off my cell phone, to be honest. I mean, I don't know. I gotta do more research into this platform. It says here I'm 500 long, but I'm pretty sure I'm 800. So I don't know. We'll see. I bought it at see, this is wrong too. I don't know what's going on here, to be honest. This is kind of messing with my head, messing with the whole video. I don't know what this is either. What the hell is going on here? Positions. Yeah, I guess I am 500 long. Maybe, I don't know. I thought I was 800. Either way, I bought them at 569. And I'm looking to sell into a pop on Monday morning. I mean, hopefully the news spreads over the weekend, and I mean, there is rumors of FDA approval. We'll see. I mean, if it gets approved, that'd be awesome. A nice spike to sell into. If not, I'll just be looking to cut my losses quickly and move on to the next play. So that's the week, guys. I don't really even know how to stop this shit. Hopefully it was recording. So, alright, it was. So, anyway, thanks, guys. I'll talk to you next week or something. Maybe if you guys like this, I'll keep making them. So, see ya.